Hello, my name is Adele. Hello.
Home to me is a place I can be myself, to recharge and relax after a long day. It's also a place where family bonds are built and memories created.
Hi, my name is Sim and this is my wife, Veron. She's a homemaker and I'm in the IT security industry.
And we are happy to finally share the home with you guys. Previously, we were staying in a 3-bedroom condo in Punggol, but as the kids grow, we realized that we needed more space.
After we sold our place, we start to search for our new home. My wife's preference was to look for another condo, while for my preference, right, I prefer a land which I think will have a bigger place.
And capital appreciation potential. When we saw this listing, Sim was very excited. So she said that why not we just give it a try and go and view this unit. So after we viewed this unit, the proximity to a school and the convenience and everything kind of suit our need. So we decided that, okay, we need to put in an offer for this house. Our new home is a 2-story inter-terrace with a 999 land, 1,680 square feet, built up of 2,400 square feet. It comes with 3 rooms, 3 bathrooms, and a car porch which allow us to park our car.
When we got the place, the living room was dark as there was a granny room before the kitchen. Flooring was chip marble on the first level and dining space was also looking dark as it was right outside the granny's room. Kitchen was very big and squarish with walls at the back and windows only at the top. And bathrooms were basic and not well configured.
So we engaged our designer. The reason for our choice was I feel that she understands what we want. And just by looking at her IG, her showroom, and also her past works, I think that we will have an affinity on what we are looking for. Generally, we are looking for a fun, a young concept. So we want the house to be open and we definitely need more natural light to flow into the house. We hacked and retouched the front porch and then we added a green wall to add some liveliness and coziness to the house. We extended the living room outwards in order to change the orientation of the front door. So now it seems like we have a foyer as we enter. The entire flooring has been overlaid with vinyl and we have hacked away at the granny's room to create this seamless flow, allowing natural light into the house. So moving on to our dining area, we have created this island which doubled up as storage space. An entertainment room has also been created on that side which can function as a spare room if needed, or else it will be an additional space when we are hosting. We have changed the configuration of the kitchen. Now we have changed it to a wet and dry kitchen. So wet kitchen will be more on the outdoor side and the dry kitchen will be more towards the indoor side. So we have also done the decking outside of the wet kitchen so that we have a space for laundry. And the end of the wall for the kitchen has also been hacked off, so we have replaced it with glass doors so that natural lights can flow in. All 3 toilets have been revamped and we have reorganized the space so that it's a space optimization. Stairs we have redo the railings so that it suits the vibes of the entire house. The biggest challenge I think would be places that we wanted work to be done. It could not be carried out. For example, the beam that is in between the wet and the dry kitchen because it's part of the structural beam. Decisions and modifications have to be done in order to make sure that we still proceed as per normal. I think every house owners now doing the renovation should have some buffer for cost and time, and make sure that you have somewhere to stay because the renovation may overrun. Then tip number 2 will be make sure that you know what you are looking for, but of course don't be too stubborn to insist on your way. Listen to the expert. I think it's very important. So if you have any renovation or like building tips that you need, you can also look for Nick because he is very experienced with all this. So we'd like to say thank you to Nick and Selling Singapore. We love our new house and thank you for selling our previous house above our expectations. Thank you for helping us with our purchase. Your professional advice has helped us so much in our choice, and not forgetting your negotiation skills demonstrated in making our offer.
All of you who are considering to buy and sell and want things to move more efficiently can definitely look for Nick and Selling Singapore.
I'm Veron.
I'm Sim.
And this is Cashew. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.
Bye.
Mic check. Mic check.
Check.
Check.